All right, Tesla fam, let's talk about Tesla promotions and when they end so you don't miss out on any exciting deals. Tesla's promotions are often time sensitive, especially during year end sales. For 2024, they're offering 3 months of free full self driving, supervised, and 3 months of free supercharging on new inventory vehicles in North America. But here's the catch. These deals are only valid for deliveries completed by December 31st, 2024. So, if you've been eyeing a Model 3, Model Y, or even the Cybertruck, now's your moment to act. For Europe, Tesla is sweetening the deal with 1 year of free supercharging on Model Y deliveries before the year ends. Just remember, promotions like these typically exclude used vehicles or business orders, so make sure you check the fine print when placing your order. Tesla's deals are a great way to make your EV journey even more rewarding, but they won't last long. If you're on the fence, now's the time to decide. And be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.